News. Amanda, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Carrie.
Okay, so people were saying they were going to stand out there and grin and bear it, but it looks like folks might be packing things up.
Yeah, I mean, Carrie, you can see tents blowing around here, people getting under blankets, trying to take cover. Obviously, this is a serious situation. The bounce houses have been deflated. You don't want any kids in there with this thing blowing through. It is very dusty. It is very windy. We've seen people running to their cars, running for cover, trying to cover up their kids. Again, you don't want to be breathing this. We're starting to feel just a little bit of, it felt like kind of a raindrop maybe even, but very windy here, lots of debris kind of blowing around. Now, again, the expectation is that this will blow through and blow over, excuse the air here, and then the fireworks show is supposed to continue, but again, you can see people kind of grabbing things that are loose, making sure that they're holding on to them so that it doesn't blow away, because the wind continues to pick up here, the dust continues to blow through, and I mean, you guys, with all that's happening, it's kind of crazy that people are just still so excited and smiling and waving behind us. It's really a serious situation here, but